It's up against the glass because if I go outside, the snow just blows all over the lens. So this is the glass of my door. Here's my front stoop. I just...
You gonna set it into
No. You ought to send some movies into the Storm channel. You're gonna be out there in it.
Yeah, baby.
It's the little birdhouse. Blowing in the breeze. It's Jim getting ready to go out snow plowing.
That's me.
Making money. Cha-chingle bells, cha-chingle bells. Oh. I'm funny laughing all the way. Kitchen. All trashed. But homey. Shamey. Shamey, how cute are you?
James, you're very cute. You're very cute, love.
You're such a cute little tyke. Oh, rollovers. See, he couldn't do this for quite a long time because he would hurt his little neck, but now he can do chicken legs, chicken legs. You're funny. And he can get up too. Cute little boy. Jamie, you want to go out? Come on. Come on. Do you want to go out? Well, that was enough. And those are our Christmas lights from inside the house, looking out.